Today I'm making an easy crock-pot chicken dinner. I'm Tess, and come join me as I make an easy and delicious chicken cacciatore in the slow cooker. I love a slow cooker meal. This chicken cacciatore meal is a hearty and comforting meal. It is easy on the budget and the family will love it. So let's get started. Everything goes in the crock pot, and I'm starting with the sauce. I have 2 large cans of tomato sauce, but you can cut this down to 1 can if you don't want a lot of sauce. Still keep the seasonings the same amount because you will have a lot of chicken and vegetables to flavor. I'm adding in a little salt, black pepper, a couple tablespoons of tomato paste to keep the sauce from thinning. Gotta have some minced garlic, red pepper flakes for a little kick, and this is optional. Basil, oregano, a handful of chopped fresh parsley, and a couple sprigs of fresh rosemary from my garden. If you wanted another depth of flavor, you could add in a quarter or a half a cup of red wine, giving everything a good mix. For the vegetables, you can use whatever you like. Today I'm adding in some diced onions, green bell peppers, carrots, and celery. I'm keeping them in rustic-sized pieces so they don't get lost in the cooking. In the past, I have added veggies like zucchini, mushrooms, or even potatoes, giving that another good toss. Now I'm adding in the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs that I removed the skin and most of the fat. I don't want a lot of fat in this dish. Just placing the chicken in and pushing down to make sure that they are covered with that delicious sauce. Lid goes on the slow cooker and cooking on high for 3 to 4 hours or 6 to 7 hours on the low setting. It's been 4 hours and it's time to eat. You can see this produced a lot of sauce, but we like the leftovers with more pasta, a side salad, and garlic bread. The chicken is done and starting to fall off the bone. It smells wonderful. You can serve this chicken cacciatore with pasta, rice, or potatoes. Tonight I'm serving with some linguine and topped with some grated Parmesan cheese. This slow cooker chicken dinner is a winner every time. I hope you give this chicken cacciatore slow cooker recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!